Good afternoon, Clayton from Earthmoving Technology Solutions. Just wanted to introduce a height and slew limiter that we've just fitted to a Case CX60 here in our Brisbane yard. The slew part of it sets you up so you will be working beside a big pylon, machines, etc., and you can set yourself up so you cannot slew and swing into those with your boom. So I've set the slew limit up for the left and the right. Put a witch's hat over to my right, which I'll show you how it now works. You've got two different ways you can do it. You can do a wall or an angle. You're hitting the angle, you'll choose set, and you can choose what side you want to set to start. So you can do right hand side, left hand side. Once again, you can choose your current spot if you can spot your obstacle, or if you know that your wall is 3 meters or you're 3 meters to your right, that's as far as you want to slew, you'll set it at 3 meters to your right via up and down. It's that simple, nice and easy. So that's the height and slew limiter that we've fitted to our Case CX60. We can fit these to any brand of machine from 6 ton up. If you'd like any more information on these, feel free to call 1300 ETS AUS anytime, and we can fit them in any state, anywhere, anytime. Thank you very much. Have a great day.